Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then this is Rimi. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this look. This is very different and out of my comfort zone. I really love how this look turned out. It's a purple, very magical, mermaidy looking look. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial and let's get started. I'm starting off with Morphe Fluidity Concealer in white. I'm applying this all over my eyelid as my eyeshadow base, and I'm going to take a beauty blender to blend the concealer all over my eyelid. For my eyeshadow, I'm taking Morphe 39A Mastery palette, and I'm using this olive green color from the palette in my crease. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm slowly building up the color using a tapping motion. I'm just placing the color where I want it to be and then slowly blend it in the crease. Since I'm planning on doing a halo eye look, I'm concentrating the color more in the inner and the outer corner of my eyes. And then I'm just blending the color in the crease without picking up any more additional product on the brush. Next, I'm going into this darker olive color from the same palette just to deepen the inner and the outer corner a little bit more, to give the inner and the outer corner a little bit more depth and intensity. Next, I'm taking the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, and I'm picking up the color Rockstar from the palette and applying it towards the center of the halo eye look. I'm leaving the center of the eyelid blank, but as you can see, it's more towards the center. I'm avoiding the outer corners and I'm just blending it with the green color just to give it a more gradient and vibrant look. I'm also slowly building up this color. As you can see, while I'm blending, the intensity of the color is kind of going away. So I'm taking my time to give it a smooth transition and also build up the color to give it the intense look I'm looking for. Now with a flat synthetic brush, I'm going back to the white concealer and I'm cleaning out the center of the eyelid just for the shimmery color that I'm going to apply in the center. This will give a more sticky base for the shimmer to stick better. Next, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette and I'm picking up this beautiful purpley pink color. This is such a gorgeous color. It has like a shift to it, like the dual tone color. It looks a little bit more purpley from one angle and more pink from another. But anyways, I'm just applying this color in the center and then I'm going back to the Rockstar color that I applied earlier just to blend in and give the transition a little bit more smoothness. I'm going to skip the liquid eyeliner today and I'm just applying a black eyeshadow as my liner. I will go over the liner one more time once I have applied the false lashes, which I did off camera. I finished the rest of my face makeup. I'm just concentrating on eye makeup for this video today. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that out and I'm just gonna go ahead and start on my lower lash line now. So for my lower lash line, I'm kind of mimicking what I did on the top. I'm going in with the color Rockstar and I'm just going to apply this color all over my lower lash line and blend it out, give it a more smoky look. Now I'm taking LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder in color 100 watts and I'm applying this to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm going back to my Huda Beauty palette and picking up this light pink color, which by surprise turned out to be blue, kind of like a minty blue color on my skin. So I was really surprised by it, but it was a pleasant surprise. So I'm just using this color to highlight my inner corners of the eyes. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. This is so different than what I have ever created. I mean, I didn't even know when I started which direction I was going. I was just playing with some colors that I was inspired by this outfit that I wore. I wanted to play with some purple, pink, and green colors, and I ended up with this beautiful, magical look. I love it how it turned out. I mean, I was totally not expecting that. I wanted it to be more like a silvery light pink in the inner corner, but that just happened. But it looks like a mermaidy thing now. I tried a new pair of lashes today, so I really like that. So anyways guys, so that's everything for the eye look today. I didn't film the whole face tutorial today. That's because I wanted to focus on the eye. Just wanted to make a quick tutorial for you guys. I told you guys that I was bulk filming these days. Did film another video, and you would see the foundation application along with the concealer application, because I'm reviewing a foundation and concealer, which will be going up either before or after this video. I'm not sure when that will go up. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram or Snapchat, please follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'll leave all those links to my social media down in the description box below as usual. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!